Good morning, George. Is Mr. Fawcett around?
I think so, ma'am. Ain't seen him this morning, but he ought to be in there.
Thanks. Dan, are you home?
Mother! What is it, dear? What's the matter? Al Malone, the deputy, just called. He wants me over at the Fawcett place. Some detectives from Santa Rosa will be there. Would it be all right?
Yes. I was just taking your mother in some tea. Oh, be careful, please.
And you be careful.
Mitch?
No, it's me, Mrs. Brenner. I thought you might like some tea.
Oh, thank you. Where's Mitch?
Al Malone wanted him out at the Fawcett farm.
Why? Didn't Al believe my story?
He was calling from the farm.
Then he saw.
Oh, he must have. They sent for the Santa Rosa police.
What good will they do? Do you think Kathy's all right at the school?
Yes, I'm sure she's fine.
Do I sound very foolish to you?
Oh, no.
I keep seeing Dan's face. And they have such big windows at school. All the windows are broken in Dan's bedroom. All the windows.
Try not to think about that.
I wish I were a stronger person. I lost my husband 4 years ago, you know. It's terrible how you depend on someone else for strength, and then suddenly all the strength is gone and you're alone. I'd love to be able to relax sometime. I'd love to be able to sleep. Do you think Kathy's all right?
Annie's there. She'll be all right.
I'm not like this, you know, not usually. I don't fuss and fret about my children. When Frank died, you see, he understood the children. He really understood them. He had the knack of entering into their world, of becoming part of them. That's a very rare talent.
Yes.
Oh, I wish I could be like that. I miss him. Sometimes, even now, I wake up in the morning and I think, I must get Frank's breakfast. And I get up, and there's a very good reason for getting out of bed until, of course, I remember. I miss talking to him. Kathy's a child, of course, and Mitch... Well, Mitch has his own life. I'm glad he stayed here today. I feel safer with him here.
Would you like to rest now?
No. No, don't go. I feel as if I don't understand you at all, and I want so much to understand.
Why, Mrs. Brenda?
Because my son seems to be very fond of you. And I don't quite know how I feel about it. I don't even know if I like you or not.
Is that so important, your liking me?
Oh, yes, I think so. Mitch is important to me. I want to like whatever girl he chooses.
And perhaps if you don't.
Well, then I don't think it'll matter very much to anyone but me.
Oh, I think it would also matter to Mitch.
Mitch has always done exactly what he wanted to do. But, you see, I don't want to be left alone. I don't think I can bear to be left alone. Oh, forgive me. Oh, forgive me. This business with the birds has upset me. I don't know what I'd do if Mitch weren't here.
Why don't you try to sleep now, Mrs. Brenda?
I wish I was stronger. Do you think she's all right? Do you think she's all right at the school?
Would you like me to go for her?
Oh, I couldn't ask it.
Oh, I don't mind, really.
Would you? I feel so much better.
I'll go right now.
Melanie. Thanks for the tea.